What's up, guys? It's Ethan here, and today I'm going to show you my Thursday analysis at 2 a.m. and what I'm looking for to enter on the golden GU, more so GU, but I'm going to show you everything that correlates with it. So the DXY, which is the USD, US dollar index, you can see it right here, is the currency itself. You can see that it dumped off a lot over here. It's kind of in this downtrend. Boom, these little legs. It's in a downtrend. And it got to this level right here, this 105 flat level, and gave us a bullish engulfing, very bullish engulfing, and it's definitely a respected level here, and yeah, that's really it here and here, but it's still a level to keep in mind. What do we get here? Bullish engulfing. We look down on the lower time frames. Obviously, it's due for a retracement because it just tanked a lot, so it's due for a retracement. And what do we get on the lower time frames? We get a reversal pattern. We're getting all these little lower highs and stuff. But then we get a double bottom morning star right here, high potential higher low, continuation up to fill out that retracement gap that we have on the daily. With all this over here, we have all this to play with right here, all this. So that's just what I see happening. Plus, it got to this level. We get a double bottom. Let me look at this real quick. We get a double bottom. Morning star, high, higher low, potential higher low, continuation up. That's what I like about the DXY. And if the DXY is going up, that means most likely a parallel GU or gold is going, or even EU is going down. Most likely going to happen. Alright, GBPUSD. This is my analysis on GU. Obviously, it shot up like 600 pips. So we need to keep that in mind when we're looking at this. And obviously we see that it needs a retracement, just like on the DXY, which is why I like the correlation, which is why GU is my favorite. It needs to fill in this gap right here that we see, which is that retracement level. And if we're just looking at the daily and we pull out the fib from the low to the high, you see that the 38 and the 50 is around this range right here, which is where this 130 flat level, which is where I would have, like, because I'm going to sell this, which is technically counter trend, but it's counter trend under the daily. But if we look at it like this, this is where it could reverse again to go two buys, because it's in that retracement zone, that 38, 50, 61, 78 retracement levels. And if we look on the 4 hour, what do we see? We see another reversal pattern. We see a head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, potential right shoulder, continuation down. It technically didn't break structure, but when we go down to 1 hour, it does break structure, which is what I like about it, which is the money time frame anyways. So this is kind of what it is right here. Broke structure, pullback. I'm waiting for some type of price action to enter around here. And it's going to be nice. This is my stop loss, 520. Might like change depending on like where I enter and stuff. Depending on like if I enter over here or if I enter up here. Depends whenever it wants to happen. The entry is given, but if I was to enter around here, it'll probably be around this area. And my first TP is here, which is this fib from this high to this low where it broke structure. And the 27 matches up over here with this level over here. And this is where I would be selling it to. It's already a 1 to 2, like a 1 to 2, 5-ish, 2-6 risk to reward ratio. And potentially I'm selling it even downwards. I don't know if I would hold this trade, me personally, but you definitely could hold this trade all the way down here. And there's a lot of scaling opportunities on this trade too, which is why I like it better than gold. Because if we look at it like this, if I enter here and it gets here, right? One trade, that's already my first trade. It's already done. I could take it out if I want to. At least take partials and have my trade at break even. But a scaling for my trade, or first entry for maybe some of your guys' trades, be this pullback right here, and then continuation down. And here could be a whole nother trade, continuation down. You know what I mean? And that's how you catch scalings, and that's really how you get your money up in trading. But yeah, that's just what I'm waiting for on GU. I'm waiting for this kind of like a price action type candlestick pattern type thing that indicates to me that price wants to head down, especially on the 1 hour. I'm just going to be hawking the 1 hour, waiting for whatever it wants to do. Gold, I really like gold as well. Hold on, let me clean this up for you guys. This is very messy. I'm really gonna need this clean up. Yeah, gold. If you look at the daily, it obviously created new highs. Hit an even star, failed to close below. Bullish engulfing comes up to hit this level again of this wick. Look at it, even, kind of like an even star, a little bit over wick. And this is just showing. Plus, it's at all-time highs. This is just showing me that like these little. It's like this price action stuff. These. See how these are big legs? All of these are big, like big leg, big leg, big leg, big leg, big leg. This is just showing me that like it's starting to slow down. You know what I mean? Price is starting to slow down, and it's like signs of exhaustion. That it doesn't want to go up anymore. But this daily also is closing. Well, not closing. This daily just opened. It's closing at 15 hours. It's still super open, super bullish. But that could correlate because we need that daily top wick anyways, then continuation down. Depending if I get what I need on this trade. But I like this trade for this simple reason of I'll be looking to enter whoever wants to give me, as long as it doesn't clear these highs. Because it could come all the way up here still, make a quadruple top type thing, and still end up tanking. You know what I mean? So we just got to be reactive and just see what price wants to do wherever it's at. But it's already in the fib zone, so if it gives me what I want to see right now, I would enter. So, and it's really that simple. And if we're looking at it like this, on gold, we have this very valid trend line. We have this point A down here, point A, point B, point C, point D, point E, break, retest, continuation down. We have this triple top on here, 1 rejection to this level, 2 rejections to this level, 3 rejections to this level. We get this break of structure, retest of the trend line, retest of structure level 2 with this past resistance, and then continuation down. That's what I'm looking for on gold to sell this. And yeah, we go down to the lower time frame, just watch roots, just wait for some type of candlestick pattern, even star, lower high, or like whatever it wants to give us. We just hawk it, and we try to get the best entry possible for up and awake during this. And yeah, that's about it for gold, GU, and the DXY. GU is my favorite though, and I'm most likely going to be end up trading this one rather than gold. But gold is still, like, if GU wasn't, like, if I didn't trade GU, I would be taking gold tonight. Gold is still super quality, super high quality, super clean also. And especially if you're just selling it to this low right here, which is the safest low, it's very clean. And yeah, I don't know. It depends. The stop loss always ranges where you would have it, depending on where your entry is at the time. Because if this thing right here, you could potentially put it right above this wick. You know what I mean? Right above this wick. But if it doesn't, if it clears this wick, it wants to make another like quadruple, like it wants to make a quadruple top, you can put it above here, and obviously your entry will change. Probably put it above here if it makes another thing, and then yeah, you sell it down to here, first TP, second, third, and so on. So yeah, that's really what I'm looking for with gold, GU, and the DXY correlates, especially with GU and what I want to see. So, yeah, thank you for watching, guys.